Okay, everyone, today we are going to work on our sound cards. That means when you see the letter on the screen, you are going to say the sound or sounds that that letter makes. Let's try to say them together. Are you ready? So here we go. A or A. D. Ing. T. D or id. Remember, ed makes three sounds. You can say t, d, id. S. Ild. Ost. Skr. I and I. E. U. And sometimes it can make the oo sound. O. B. E. A. Sure. E and E. A. Qu. O. K. Aw. All. Stir. Sm. Fur. Aw. Gull. R. Pull. B. Mp. Or. Oi. We have our consonant LE words, or sounds, I should say. Cull, bull, full, pull, tull, gull, oi. Great job.